Good morning, respected Professor Dr. M.S. Deshmukh sir, Honorable Dean, Faculty of Humanities, Professor Dr. S.N. Sapli sir, Director, Department of Technology, Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and all the respected ISC members and members from representative schools, ATL schools, SIC schools, Rajveer Public School, Vashi, Kolhapur, Sai International School, Ringlas, Kolhapur, Chinswad High School, Kolhapur. We are here gathered together on this beautiful morning for the first online orientation cum mentoring session for ATL schools, which is the initiative of MHRD, Ministry of Education's AICTE, uh, Ministry of Education's Council of Innovation, Innovation Council, along with the Shivaji University Kolhapur. The partners are Department of Technology, Shivaji University Center for Innovation, Incubation and Linkages, that is SEAL, SUK Research and Development Foundation. They are organizing jointly this orientation cum mentoring session for ATL schools. For guiding us today, we have Professor Dr. M.S. Deshmukh sir. He is the economist, renowned economist of Shivaji University and this Kolhapur, Sangli, Satara, Maharashtra region. He has worked in many committees, chaired many sessions, and he has been key and instrumental in developing and shaping the innovation policies of Shivaji University Kolhapur. Earlier, he has been the management council member, currently is management council member, and also the director of SEAL, that is Shivaji University Center for Innovation, Incubation and Linkages. Under his able guidance, the SUK Research and Development Foundation uh, is established and is currently working on. Along with him, we have Professor Dr. S.N. Sapli sir, Director of Department of Technology, academician, researcher, and a notable speaker in the area of technology and innovation entrepreneurship. He has worked as a professor and head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at the famous Government College of Engineering, uh, Pune, COEP Pune. So, on behalf of Shivaji University Kolhapur, I welcome you all, respected Professor Dr. M.S. Deshmukh sir, as well as Department of Technologies Director S.N. Sapli sir, and we have the representatives from the school also. So, after this welcome and introduction, now since Professor Dr. M.S. Deshmukh sir is the dean and he is always busy with different activities and meetings, high-level meetings. So, before proceeding, I would like to request Professor Dr. M.S. Deshmukh sir to guide the participants and brief us regarding the activities and the university's role and perspective towards helping the ATL schools.
Thank you very much. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Dr. Harshvardhan, for giving the brief introduction and the welcoming to all the participants. So, I am on the occasion of this orientation mentoring session for ATL schools. And basically, Rajasthan School, Vashi, Kolhapur, Sai International School, Garinglas, and Chinchwad High School, Chinchwad, Kolhapur. Their principals, vice principals, representatives, teachers, students, and this particular program, which has been organized by the Shivaji University in the joint association with Department of Technology, Shivaji University Center for Innovation, Incubation and Linkages, SUK Research and Development Foundation is one of the sectionate company which is boosting for the innovation system within, not only within the university, but even the periphery of the university also. And to organize all these devotees, staffs has taken a lot of efforts to connect university with the schools. For that, on behalf of the Shivaji University, I compliment Director as well as Harshvardhan for giving the opportunity for me to say a few words about the role of the university in connection with this orientation program related to ATL schools. Basically, talking about the invention, innovation, incubation, these are the various new concepts which has been emerging in the country like India. And we all of you know that here, the India is the largest and fastest growing economy within the world, not only in terms of the gross domestic product, but also in terms of all the parameters which is required for the development as such. And this is what we have to imbibe in the minds of the school children. Once the school children get some kind of ideas, some kind of motivation, some kind of encouragement to get engaged within the invention, innovation, linkages related activity, as they pass on from schooling to the junior college to the higher education to their research activities, definitely they will start working on their own ideas. So creating and imbibing ideas in the mind of the school children is a need of the hours from the development of the country like India. And as we know that, we are dreaming for the India to become a Vikasit Bharat by 2047. And to achieve that Vikasit Bharat by 2047, these are the young mind which one has to mentor in a right spirit to give some kind of motivation to get encouraged within invention, research related activity. So I appeal to all the participants as well as all the principals and the vice principals and the teachers who are mentoring to these particular students in their own schools. What they can do, they can definitely get involved in not only bookish kind of education. I know that the whatever is given within the textbook, that is the part of the curriculum, that is the part of the examination, that is part of the one kind of exercise. But definitely beyond that, one has to give the ideas for the development, invention, innovation related point of view. Some of the symptoms I would like to bring before this, because Dr. Sapli sir and the Harshvardhan is also going to guide. I will just talk about 5 to 7 minutes to just mentor and give ideas about the university. Shivaji University is one of the leading university in the western Maharashtra, which is catering in the periphery of Sangli, Satara and Kolhapur. We're having the various kind of departments from the humanities to the science to the technology. So this kind of awareness should be brought in the minds of the school children, because this campus is a very big campus where almost 850 plus acres is the spread over of this particular campus. And within this campus, 45 plus departments with many schools, centers and churches which have been established. If you find some time to bring to the students within the campus, definitely I request all these particular schools to visit to the Shivaji University. At least if you see this kind of climate, this kind of place, this kind of institution, some kind of encouragement they will get in their own minds to get engaged within the invention, innovation activities. As I have mentioned earlier about the Vikasit Bharat 2040 is not only the dream of the government, but the dream of all of us. And that's what these young children should be given some kind of mentoring towards this kind of aspect. What is more important is, if you see the history of India from the beginning, we know that Indian knowledge system, which is a very, very important, not only in the world, but particularly within the country like India. Why do I mention about IKS? Because knowledge is more important, and that what Indian knowledge is more important. If you just see that, for example, like a temple. So the way in which the temple is constructed, or way in which the temple is built, that kind of design, that kind of creativity, if the child sees at the age of the school level, then some kind of thing which will start within his or her own mind to get involved in that kind of activity. So creativity is more important. Getting idea is more important. Once they get an idea, the involvement of that idea, the nurturing of an idea from the school level, which is of very, very important. And that's why each school, each mentor within the school should give this kind of facilities, this kind of guidance, this kind of mentoring, so that the ideas in the mind of the children gets engaged or that gets nurtured. Why do I mention this? Because if anything new comes within the mind of the students, who definitely kills that idea? That is from the home, that is from the parent, and particularly from the teachers. That happens normally. I'm not criticizing, because a teacher will say that this is your curriculum, this is your notebook, this is your exercise, only you can do the exercise within the limit. But beyond the limit, once you cross that particular curriculum border, definitely the children will also get more engaged in all kind of activity. And that is why National Education Policy 2020 is one of the policy, not only the central government, but the state government of India, the state government of Maharashtra has given more emphasis on that. And what that includes all the parameters which are required for making India 21st century's building nation. What is more important within that? Not only discipline-specific education, but open electives are also allowed. Indian knowledge system is also allowed. Skilling component is allowed. extracurricular activities are allowed. Whatever the student is doing or getting engaged, all that gets creditized, all that gets accounted. That's why accounting through the academic bank of credit, that mechanism which is introduced by the UGC as well as all the statutory bodies of higher education or the school education. So this kind of information one has to give to the children so that they will get engaged within that. Coming to the development journey of India, I will not go to the past or the history of India, but from 2000 onwards, if you see, specifically related to entrepreneurial activities or innovation related activities, what we believe, because internationally, one of the report gets published by the international agencies, and that report is called as innovation related document report. What that innovation related document report mentions, that specifically says that India's ranking in that innovation index, that's global innovation index, particularly we call as GII, global innovation index, India's ranking 20-25 years back was very, very poor. It was ranked around 2010, 2015, somewhere in that particular period, it was at the rank of 86th globally. But if you see today, the India's ranking in the global innovation index, which has been have improved a lot, and we are at the stage of 48 within the world. Not only that, GII ranking, which has improved 50%, coming up from 86th rank to the 40th rank, is a good achievement in India's development strategy, specifically related to invention and innovation. For that, what is more important? More important is idea. More important is nurturing the ideas, getting involved in the startup related activity, getting involved in the entrepreneur related activity is of very, very important. That is what one has to inform. That's what one has to tell to the students at the schooling age only. So the Atal Innovation Centers or the innovation institution constitution, which is constituted by the Shivaji University, which the Professor Supply is the convener of that. Under his own leadership, this kind of activities throughout the various years as well as the month that will take place. You are the very important, the beneficiaries, or you should take a more advantage of the university system so that the students will have some kind of linkages with school as well as universities. To increase the linkages among the schools and the university has taken this kind of initiative, this kind of step to get connected with the schools through the ATL program. And that's why, as I mentioned about the startups, if you see that in the past 20 years, there are hardly few startups we do find within a country like India. Maybe one can measure within the fingertips also. But if you see today, 1 lakh plus startups which we do have within a country like India. So who are getting engaged within this? These youth are getting more engaged in such kind of startups. The simple examples like Ola, Uber, Swiggy, or many kind of other marketing related agency. These are the one of the examples for getting involved within the startups. And those startups whose annual turnover, which is something more than $1 billion, that startups gets categorized at international level in the form of unicorns, in the form of sunicorns, in the form of minicorns. So these are the concepts one has to bring to the notice of the student, and one has to say that what is a startup? One has to define it. Within the startup, which startup is a unicorn startup, which startup is a sunicorn startup, which startup is of a minicorn startup. So this kind of concept must be elaborated more systematically for the students who are getting engaged at the school level. So hereafter, journey of India towards the Viksit Bharat, which will be definitely based on what the students learn and what the teacher mentor at the school level. As I appeal to this particular program for all the teachers as well as all the mentors, apart from their own existing curriculum, one has to get engaged within the startup related activities, within entrepreneur related activities. Why do I mention that? Because if you see the development of our country like India, and basically if you measure the gross domestic product of the economy, we do find that the service sector is contributing 60%, but the industrial sector's contribution is somewhere around 22, 23, 24, 25%. That is from the last many years we do find this kind of contribution. One has to increase the contribution of industry and the industrial development through the generating employment that will definitely lead to making India as the Viksit Bharat. And that is why such kind of programs, I mean, getting linkage with the university by the schools is a need of the hour. And once we mention that, why there is a need, these are the parameters which are very, very important. And that is why this kind of platform not only connected with these three schools today, but subsequently that will increase the scope of the schools, and accordingly all the children will get engaged in this activity. And once they get involved in such kind of activity, definitely their thinking, their engagement, their creativity, not only for a particular period of the school, but by 24 by 7, they will think over, and accordingly new ideas will get generated. And that's why in the future, maybe very soon down the year, the India will become a hub for innovation, hub for invention, hub for entrepreneurial activity, and that will definitely lead to the Viksit Bharat, what we dream in 2047. With these few words, I place my sincere thanks for giving me the opportunity to say the few words on the occasion of this particular program. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now I request all of the participants to kindly open their videos so that we can take a group photo with Professor Dr. M.S. Deshmukh sir and Sapli sir, and then we'll proceed with the presentation by Professor Dr. S.N. Sapli sir. All the participants, Mr. Sumit Patil, Jaideep Desai, Ashwini ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, Chinswad High School, please open the video, start the video so that we can take a group photo. Just a minute.
Chinswad High School.
चिंचवाड हायस्कूल चिंचवाड देसाई मॅम
सर आहे
मग तिकडनं नाही आहे का ते ऑनलाईन?
हा ते अजून एक सर जॉईन झालेत, ते प्रार्थनेत आहेत. नंतर
मग त्यांना चालू करता येईल का?
नाही सर, तर ते बाहेर आहेत.
ओके, प्लीज लुक इन टू द कॅमेरा.
हा असू दे. ओके, थँक्यू.
Just a minute.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Sapli sir, please proceed.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, one and all.
Yes, sir. No, not yet, sir. Yes, sir, the screen is visible.
सर आवाज येत नाहीये.
Microphone on.
हॅलो, ऐकू येत आहे?
Hello, is it audible? Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So screen is visible, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. I am Dr. S.N. Suppli, Director, Department of Technology, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I am also convener of this IIC Institution Innovation Council. So this is the agenda for the today's orientation program. So Harshavardhan is conducting this function. I am S.N. Suppli, Professor Deshmukh conveyed you messages. So orientation session on Atal. This take up. Okay, so ATL and IIC linkages actually. अरे पुढे जात नाही. हा ठीक आहे, इथून
दिसत नाही.
दिसत नाही.
आता आलं.
बघा दिसते का बघा. So there is a national Institution Innovation Council is started in all higher education institutions like Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So there are 14,067 IICs established in many institutions all over India. So this is the chronological. So you can see the number increasing every year. Started with only 940 institutions. Now it is 12,773 institutions where Institution Innovation Council is functional. So as far as Shivaji University Kolhapur is concerned, Professor Dr. D.T. Sirke sir is the Vice Chancellor and head of the university here. Professor Dr. P.S. Patil sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, is the President of this IIC. Professor M.S. Deshmukh, Dean Faculty of Humanities. He is the Vice President of this IIC at Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Myself, Dr. S.N. Suppli, convener for this IIC at Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Professor Dr. S.D. Delekar, he is the Director of University Center for Innovation and Incubation Linkages at Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Professor Dr. V.N. Shinde, sir, is the Honorable Registrar of the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Having said that, there is a big, what you can say, members list of many members are there in the IIC here, starting with Professor Dr. M.S. Nimbalkar, Dr. P.D. Patil, Dr. S.D. Sarle, and many more are the members of this IIC here at Shivaji University, Kolhapur. All are contributing to the development of the IIC in Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Coming to this, you see SUK, Shivaji University, Kolhapur Research and Development Foundation is there. Here we have Section 8 companies are also there. Many there are 35 incubatees, means 35 people are trying to develop here. Actually, there are 17 people who have already started their business entrepreneurship with this SUK RDF at Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Then, so these are the few photos of the, what you can say, IIC activities carried out
throughout the academic year 2023-24, we are in the fourth quarter of this IIC activities at Shivaji University Kolhapur, which is going to end on 31st May. So here you can say Professor Dr. Sirke sir is felicitating Miss Gayatri Gokhale, who is considered to be, who is nominated as a brand ambassador of Shivaji University Kolhapur, as she got one of the what you can say patents awarded to her. So many other photos you can see here. Yeah, Professor P.S. Patil, Professor D.T. Sirke sir, Professor even Honorable Minister Mushrif sir giving present what you can say awarding seed money to the DOT student. So here Harshavardhan Pandit. Then about IIC ATL membership linkages, actually AICT. Okay. So AICT Ministry of Education Innovation Cell and Atal Innovation Mission have collaborated to provide mentoring support to ATLs across India based on the geographical proximity to the Institution Innovation Council established in higher education institutions. IICs are functioning in all the higher education institutions. They can help enhance innovation capabilities of the schools also. Here, these are the silent features of Atal and IIC mentorship linkages. Here, we are acting as a mentors to the schools where your school children's concept can be taken up for further, what you can say, to be converted into business actually. So, young minds actually have the creative thinking. So, do something new things actually to give a thought process to motivate them their thinking and motivate their logics, etc. We are hand holding the schools to motivate to solve your small problems related with the innovation and entrepreneurship. So mentor the student children from the beginning so that they can grown up, they can become entrepreneurs in the future. So as far as Atal IIC mentorship linkage and proposed activities are concerned, you can see this is the flow diagram here actually. So through this IIC council, we can guide the students, we can mentor the students, we can give the training to the students required in their field of interest. That is very important. So therefore, as far as this school innovation council is concerned, there are 10,172 school innovation councils have been already established. We are also motivating the schools like you to form a school innovation council. So another is Atal Tinkering Labs are there actually. Around 10,000 labs are there all over India. So through this, students can get an opportunity to work in the laboratories. So to like maybe development of a robot, development of integrated circuits, make use of these electronics, and for developing a small products are like that. Students can play with their hands, practice their with their hands. That is the orientation. So as far as this, how we can handle the schools is actually very interesting. So we can come, we can mentor, we can give certain facilities through this what you can say Atal IIC mentorship linkages. Through this is the orientation session we are conducting today. So there would be mentor mentees meeting will be conducted in future, so that your people can come to DOT. We can have the meeting, discuss to take your to advance in the field. We can take your what you can say difficulties, what type of training is to be given to the faculty, teachers and students of your school, that we can discuss. We can arrange the exposure visits of the school children to the tinkering labs, or what you can say idea labs or startups like that. If required, we can do training in the form of boot camps also. We can arrange various competitions for the students of your school, so that they can accept the challenges, they can come forward. So that is what is we are talking about. So again, this is what is I have said in with the help of previous slide. So we have selected 3 Atal schools where we can think of having tinkering labs to mentor actually. Then we can assign coordinators. दिसत नाही का परत गेला अवघड आहे बाबा. Communication is not proper. Then okay. Okay, I have said this. So we can assign a coordinator to each of the school so that they can be in contact with you to understand your difficulties, your training requirements, your what you can say, any facilities you need, so to help your students to grow their what you can say innovation ideas, to mentor their innovation ideas or like that. So this is what is so we can schedule the activities also. We can work together. Then so this is the most important what you can say council, that is School Innovation Council. I request all of you to form a School Innovation Council in your school. For that we can guide you also, we can meet, we can have a discussion on this. Then Albert Einstein has said very rightly, education is not the learning of facts but the training of the mind to think. Actually we are creating the future what you can say citizens, future entrepreneurs, future businessmen through these children. So therefore training of the minds to think is very important. So IIC SUK to support school innovation councils like Atal schools. So encourage the students and teachers to engage in innovation projects and activities. This is very much missing today, but we have to think, we have to motivate the students and teachers so that they can engage the students in the innovation projects and activities. We have to equip the students with the necessary skills to think creativity and solve problems effectively. So this is very much now actually instead of bookish learning, so learning through what you can say activities is a concept that government of India is coming up is trying to implement in all the schools and colleges. So therefore this is very important. So we have to mentor or foster an entrepreneurial mindset of the students, encouraging them to develop business ideas and startups. So if we if we train the students, if we continuously tell the students regarding the entrepreneurship and business, their mindset will change. Instead of going and after graduation or like that to catch a job or like that, we have to facilitate. So we have to have the collaboration between the schools, industries, and other education institutions to share resources and expertise. So here we have in the Department of Technology, we have 6 engineering branches: civil, mechanical, electronics, computer, chemical technology, food technology. We have very good expertise in all these branches. Many faculties are having PhD degrees. They have carried out a good research, so they can support your schools, your children's, so going ahead. So it is a very necessary to provide mentorship and guidance, so by the experts to help students develop their projects and ideas. So it is also necessary to conduct workshops, training sessions, and boot camps for the growing minds as well as for the teachers. Organize competitions to encourage students to present and develop their innovative ideas. So this is the most important what you can say activity. We have to take it forward. So provide support for promising projects to help them develop into viable products or startups. So this is so as Deshmukh sir has already said, there are 1 lakh startups in India. So these startups are coming up from even from a very small villages, schools, colleges, and also in many places. So why not your schools can come forward in this what you can say innovative ideas and contribution to the nation development. facilitate the interactions with industry experts. We can bring the industry experts and professionals to your school, colleges, children's. Then they can get the uh, uh, an opportunity to interact with the industry experts and professionals, so that they, from the beginning itself, they can understand this entrepreneurial skills. Now coming to the School Innovation Council, these are the objectives of the School Innovation Council. So one is ideation, another is innovation, third is entrepreneurship among teachers and students. Yes, School Innovation Council will enable mindset change and awareness on creative thinking, design thinking, out of box thinking, problem solving abilities, prototyping, product development, IP commercialization among teachers and students. So these are the objectives of the School Innovation Council. This is the 360-degree approach how we can take the School Innovation Council further in association with Department of Technology, Shivaji University, Kolhapur, as a part of IIC of Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So mentoring and hand-holding support for School Innovation Council is also very important. You see, there are so many, what we can say, this SICs available, IICs also existing in many higher education institutes, 200 plus. This whole data actually innovation ambassadors, you see the number, it is 51,751 ambassadors are there, who can evaluate, guide the students for their concept and products. There are 13,887 institution innovation councils all over India. So there are 10,000 plus innovators are there. 13 innovation centers are there, 900 plus incubation centers are there. These are all connected with, can be connected with the School Innovation Council. Then coming to form a SIC council, so these are the actually steps. Actually, school, they can register on SIC website. School Innovation Council website is there. Once they register there, you can create the school login, so you can perform monthly activities and you can upload the activities on the websites, submit ideas, business models, then models development, etc. on the website. We can go for, one can go for boot camp funding. So funding is also possible from central government, from the national level. One can go for national level exhibitions also. Then 100 best innovations or ideas to be funded by the Ministry of Education. So each, what we can say, idea can get 1.5 lakhs rupees for their conversion of concept to idea, concept of converging idea or concept to the what we can say, business prototype, like that. So we can have the collaborative type of environment to change the mindset, create the awareness, and give the training to the children's, create infrastructure and mentoring support to nature innovations. So one can get the incentives, encourage the teachers and students for their own concept and ideas for their innovation. Ideation, innovation, problem solving methodology is to be set up. You can get the support, guidance from IIC institutions. We can have the collaborative partnership with the IIC, schools, industry, startup, enablers, etc. School entrepreneurship led startups can be functional in the schools. Financial and legal literacy is also required, and it is to be supported to the schools through IICs. Now, schools can plan, actually organize a visit of IIC SUK coordinators to the school. We are going to visit your schools to take forward this IIC concept. So, and then School Innovation Council to be formed. then to organize mentoring sessions, maybe in online mode, maybe in offline mode also, conduct innovation activities at school and invite all the IIC, Shivaji University, Kolhapur to the schools, conduct training programs and boot camps at school also, attend exposure visit to IIC SUK, participate in IIC SUK programs, build school innovation repository, any initiatives. So these are the various, you can see the activities we have conducted with the schools. So these are the photographs, actually various photographs you can see here. Thank you. So this is, I wanted to tell you about the School Innovation Council to be formed at each of your school with the help of IIC Shivaji University, Kolhapur. We can mentor your schools for that. We can give the training, we can arrange the boot camps, we can your school children can visit Shivaji University, Kolhapur, our what you can say SUK, RDF, and other facilities also. So I appeal all the school principals and teachers to uh, participate in this what you can say uh, this idea of becoming attached with the IIC through your school innovation council. So if you are having any questions, doubts, please ask. Hello, hello teachers, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir, they are always there. Thank you very much, respected Director Professor Dr. S.N. Sapli, sir, for giving the presentation about the activities of IIC which are to be extended to SICs and natal schools for hand holding, hand shaking, and supporting the schools on the various avenues. And now, also, Professor Dr. A.M. Gurav from Shivaji University is present here. I welcome him also. He is also the council member and working in the field of rural and urban innovations. So I welcome you, sir. Now it is the time to have presentations from the schools. I request Rajvir Public School to give presentations. Also, the time limit is maximum up to 10 to 12 minutes. You try to give the presentation, and you are expected to present whatever innovations, infrastructural, these things are available with you. So I request Rajvir Public School.
Good morning, sir.
Kindly share your screen, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, share screen option is not visible.
No, just will give you the control. No, it is open, madam. Share screen is open.
Okay, sir. Screen. Yes.
Pandit sir, better collect their presentation through email, collect and you can share. They can speak. That is also another option. You share your email ID.
Sir,
Yeah, we'll make the provision. You can send your presentation through email We'll open
Yes,
it. You can only talk. Okay.
yes, sir. Okay.
If another school is able to present, then they can start. No problem.
Till
Shilpa
then,
ma'am is presenting.
till
Okay.
then we can give chance to other school.
Okay.
Then this Rajbir school can be given subsequently.
Yes. Madam, please start your PowerPoint presentation.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Yes, yes, we are able to hear.
सर आमची स्क्रीन म्हणजे आम्ही आता शेअर केलेलं आहे, फक्त तिकडून विजिबल आहे का हे विचारायचं होतं.
आहेत तुम्ही एंटायर स्क्रीन केले, त्याच्याऐवजी विंडो करा फक्त मॅडम तुमची
ओके, ओके.
पीपीटीची.
Yes.
एंटायर स्क्रीन झालेला आहे.
ओके,
शेअरिंगचा ऑप्शन आहे बघा जो.
ओके.
ओनली विंडो पॉवर पॉइंट ओपन करा साईडला. हा.
अर्जंट आहे का? त्यांचं ते प्रोसिजर केलं ना सगळं.
किंवा मग तुमची स्क्रीन मिनिमाइज करा आणि मग पीपीटी चालू करा, ते होईल एंटायर स्क्रीन मध्ये दिसेल.
ओके.
देसाई मॅडम, तुमचं आहे का प्रेझेंटेशन रेडी?
सॉरी सर, यावेळी मला काही कल्पना नव्हती, त्यामुळे मी केले नाही. नेक्स्ट टाइम करते सर.
मग तुम्ही करून तरी पाठवू शकता आम्हाला नंतर.
हा नक्की सर, नक्की नक्की.
अश्विनी मॅडम,
स्क्रीन दिसते का?
स्क्रीन नाही दिसत.
हॅलो सर.
हा मॅडम, अश्विनी मॅडम बोला तुम्ही.
हो, मी अश्विनी मॅडम बोलते. बोला ना सर.
तुम्ही प्रेझेंटेशन देताय ना?
सर सॉरी सर, हे आम्हाला माहिती नव्हतं, पण नेक्स्ट टाइम नक्की देऊ आम्ही, किंवा आम्ही
साई
पाठवू.
इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल ना?
हो 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 सर.
कारण मॅडमला आपण स्पेसिफिकली सांगितलेलं होतं 10 स्लाइड्सचं, त्यांच्याशी
होय का?
पूर्ण डिस्कशन झालेलं होतं. हो हो हो.
कारण सर आम्ही नवीन असल्यामुळे ना ह्या रोबोटिक ह्याच्यात, त्यामुळे जर आम्हाला आयडिया नाहीये. हॅलो.
बरं ठीक आहे, शिल्पा मॅडम तुम्हीच प्रेझेंट करा.
हॅलो सर, चिंचवाड स्कूल.
हा बोला मॅडम.
हा सर, आपला वेगळा असा काही ग्रुप असेल व्हॉट्सअपचा, तर जरासा आम्हाला त्यात जॉईन करून घ्या, म्हणजे तुमचे नोटिफिकेशन म्हणजे आम्हाला पुन्हा मिळतील. शाळेचा ईमेल दिलाय,
हो
पण
हो.
तो थोडासा त्यांच्याकडे ऑफिस लेवलला असल्यामुळं मेसेज नाही मिळत आहे.
बरं, एक आपण आता करू शकतो की देसाई मॅडम आणि अश्विनी मॅडम, तुम्ही तुमच्या आता जे SIC ATL आहे त्याच्याविषयी ओरली माहिती द्या. फक्त व्हिडिओ चालू करून ओरली माहिती द्या. आणि प्रेझेंटेशन नंतर पाठवा. ठीक आहे?
नाही सर, काय क्लिअर. हा बोला की मॅडम.
नाही, तुमच्या स्कूलमध्ये आता तुम्ही काय काय ऍक्टिव्हिटी करता, कोण त्याचं ATL लॅबचं इन्चार्ज आहे, प्राचार्य किंवा मुख्याध्यापक कोण आहेत, आणि तुम्ही एकूण आमच्याकडनं काय मदतीची अपेक्षा करता ॲज अ विद्यापीठ म्हणून, हाऊ यू लुक आफ्टर टू अवर हेल्प, हे जरा तुम्ही तुमच्या शब्दात सांगा.
ओके सर, ओके ओके सर. बोलू
फक्त
का मी?
व्हिडिओ चालू करून बघा, व्हिडिओ चालू करा फक्त.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू एव्हरीवन. सर, काय झालंय, आमच्या इथं गेल्या वेळी लेंड हँड या एका संस्थेनं आम्हाला जे ट्रेनिंग दिलं होतं, त्या अंतर्गत आम्ही आमच्या शाळेमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे मुलांना ट्रेनिंग दिलेले आहेत. राजवीर पब्लिक स्कूललाच आपलं तालुकास्तरीय आणि कोल्हापूरला जिल्हास्तरीय प्रदर्शन पण झालेलं होतं. त्याच्यामध्ये मेकॅनिकल सेक्शन, डिजिटल लिटरसी आणि त्याचबरोबर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अंतर्गत आम्हाला अटल लॅबमधील वेगवेगळ्या कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर केल्या होत्या आणि त्या घेऊनच आम्ही वेगवेगळे प्रोजेक्ट पण बनवलेले होते. पण तसं डायरेक्टली अजून शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटीसाठी जे आम्ही काम करत होतो ते अजून थोडंसं काम झालेलं नाहीये. त्यामुळं थोडंसं त्याचे गाईडलाईन्स काय असतील, म्हणजे तुम्ही जरी टाइम टेबल दिलं तर ते आम्ही फॉलो करू, तर थोडंसं ते मिळालं तर बरं होईल. माझी शाळा आहे चिंचवाड हायस्कूल चिंचवाड. आमचे एचएम आहे श्रेणिक पाटील सर आणि मी स्वतः वैशाली देसाई इथं अटल इन्चार्ज म्हणून काम करते.
बर, आपण आतापर्यंत कोणकोणत्या स्पर्धांमध्ये वगैरे काही भाग घेतला?
हा सर, जी अटल मॅरेथॉन स्पर्धा आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपण 2 प्रोजेक्ट ऑलरेडी गेल्या वर्षी आणि त्याच्या गेल्या वर्षी असे 2 प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट केलेले होते. आणि ज्या इथं तालुकास्तरीय आणि जिल्हास्तरीय स्पर्धा झाल्या होत्या त्याच्यामध्ये या तिन्ही सेक्शन अंतर्गत आपण वेगवेगळे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट पण सबमिट केलेले आहेत. पण स्पेशली लेंड हँड या संस्थेनं थोडंसं अटल गाईडलाईन काय असते किंवा आपल्याला काय प्रोजेक्ट घ्यायचे हे त्यांनी सांगितल्यामुळे आम्ही ते शक्य करू शकलोय. नाहीतर 2020 साली आम्हाला अटल लॅब मिळाली पण नेमका तर त्याचा कसा उपयोग करायचा हे काही माहित नव्हतं सर. आणि ज्यांनी लॅब दिलेली आहे ते रोबोटिक्स वाले आहेत आणि ते रोबोटिक्सच्या कॉम्पिटिशनशी संबंधित रोबोटिक्स तेवढं घेतात.
ठीक आहे. काही प्रश्न आहे? आपले डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजीचे काही विद्यार्थी पण आपल्याकडे येत होते.
हो सर, गायत्री गोखले मॅडम आमच्याकडे येत होत्या. खूप छान त्यांनी आमच्या मुलांना मार्गदर्शन केल्या. त्यांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स, त्याच्यातून आयडिया सॉल्व्हिंग वगैरे आणि वेगवेगळे प्रोजेक्ट पण त्यांनी करून घेतलेले होते.
हो हो हो, ठीक आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू सर.
अश्विनी मॅडम.
हॅलो सर.
हा, बोला आपण.
हॅलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीवन.
गुड मॉर्निंग मॅडम.
ओके सर, ऍक्च्युली आमच्या इथे काय झालेलं आहे, गेल्या वर्षी एक सर येत होते रोबोटिक्ससाठी, प्राजक्त म्हणून, पण ते ह्या वर्षीपासून डिस्कंटिन्यू केले. त्यामुळे आता एक नवीन टीचर आम्ही अपॉइंट केलेले आहेत, आयशा कडूकर म्हणून. त्यांनी आता ह्या महिन्यापासून त्यांनी सुरुवात केलेली आहे रोबोटिक्स क्लास घ्यायचं सर. आणि 2022ला आम्ही एका प्रोजेक्ट वरती काम केलं होतं बेंगलोरला. फक्त आम्हाला अडचण अशी येते की 4थीला किंवा जे क्लासेस आहेत त्यांना कशाला, त्या क्लासेसला काय काय शिकवावं लागतं, काय सिलेबस घ्यावं लागतं ते कळत नाहीये. हॅलो.
ओके, ठीक आहे. आपण शाळांबरोबर जे समक्ष मीटिंग आयोजित करणार आहे त्यामध्ये आपल्या स्कूलला व्हिजिट होईलच. त्यावेळी आपण इनोव्हेशन्स आणि फॅकल्टी आणि त्याचं ट्रेनिंग याच्याबद्दल पण चर्चा करूया.
चालेल ना सर, कारण ना आम्ही जरासं नवीन असल्यामुळे ना तुम्ही जरा आम्हाला ट्रेनिंग कंडक्ट करून दिला तर खूप बरं होईल.
हो मॅडम.
सर, आमचे प्रिन्सिपल सुजाता नागराळे मॅडम आहेत, तुम्ही त्यांच्याशी भेटला आहात?
हो, बोललेलो आहे.
ओके, तर तुम्ही आम्हाला गाईड केला ना सर, नक्की आम्ही पुढच्या वर्षी आमचं बेस्ट द्यायचे प्रयत्न करणार सर.
नाही, आपण कोलॅबरेटिव्ह ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे त्यामुळे आपण एकत्र मिळूनच सगळं करणार आहे. विद्यापीठाचे एकूण जे एक्सपर्ट टीम आहे ती पण आपल्या बरोबर आहे. त्याच्यामुळे स्कूल इनोव्हेशन काउन्सिलला IIC पूर्णपणे मदत करणार आहे.
चालेल.
सुमित पाटील
वी विल
सर.
बी व्हेरी मच थँकफुल टू यू इफ यू गाईड अस.
येस, ऑफ कोर्स मॅम.
ओके सर, थँक्यू सो मच.
सुमित पाटील सर.
हॅलो, आहे का?
येस सर. पाटील सर, व्हिडिओ चालू करा सर.
हो सर, मी राजवीर टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम झाला होता, तो मी आता ती स्लाइड माझ्यातर्फे प्रेझेंट करतोय आणि स्कूलमधून मग रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह एक्सप्लेन करतील.
येस, चालेल.
हां, एक मिनिट फक्त सर, मी स्क्रीन शेअर करतो. तर स्क्रीन सगळ्यांना विजिबल आहे? प्रेझेंटेशन दिसत आहे का?
हो आहे.
हो सर. सर आपल्याकडे 2020 नोव्हेंबरमध्ये आम्हाला लॅब अलॉट झाली गव्हर्नमेंटकडून आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग 3 जानेवारी 2021 आमच्याकडे प्रॉपर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन लॅबचं झालं. लॅबचा सेटअप पूर्ण आम्ही आमच्याकडे घेतला आणि त्याच्यानंतर वेंडरकडून मिळणारे जे काही रोबोटिक बद्दलचं जे काही ट्रेनिंग होते तेवढंच होतं आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग आम्हाला बराचसा प्रॉब्लेम येत होता की आपल्याकडे मटेरियल तर खूप आलेलं आहे, पण हे पूर्ण मटेरियल कसं काय आपण त्याच्यावर काम करणार आहोत, कारण पूर्ण मटेरियल बघितलं तर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचं होतं, मेकॅनिकलचं होतं, गार्डनिंगचं बरंचसं मटेरियल त्याच्यामध्ये, पण त्याच्याबद्दल आपण नेमकं कसं स्टुडंट्स ट्रेनिंग देणार आहोत हा होता. तर त्या पद्धतीनं मग आम्ही सुरुवात केलं. लेन हँड इंडियाचा तुमच्याकडूनही मिळाला तर त्याची एक पीपीटी पहिला आपण बघूया, मग मी नंतर.
तर गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. माझं नाव शिल्पा बंडोपंत. मी इन्चार्ज म्हणून येथे काम करते. तर जसं की आता आमच्या प्रिन्सिपलने सांगितल्याप्रमाणे गेली 2 वर्ष अटल टिंकरिंग लॅब खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने सुरू आहे. सुरुवातीला संभ्रमावस्था होती की लॅबमधली इन्व्हेंटरी मॅनेजमेंट कसं करायचं किंवा त्या प्रत्येक टूल्सचा वापर झाला पाहिजे, इनोव्हेशनसाठी त्याचा काय वापर आपण करू शकतो. तर अशा पद्धतीनं सुरुवातीला फक्त रोबोट असेंब्लिंग असेल किंवा मुलांना किट डेव्हलपमेंट असेल अशा पद्धतीचे प्रोजेक्ट्स आम्ही शाळेमध्ये सुरू केले. सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड घ्या. लेंडहँड शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटी कोल्हापूर यांच्या आम्ही काही ऍक्टिव्हिटीज सुरू केल्या. तर याच्यामध्ये 3 डिपार्टमेंट वाईज लेंडहँड इंडिया आम्हाला ट्रेनिंग देण्यात आली. यासाठी 3 टीचर्स यांची नेमणूक करण्यात आली. याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिपार्टमेंटसाठी मिसेस टीचर, मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंटसाठी टीचर आणि डिजिटल लिटरसीसाठी कल्याणी कुलकर्णी टीचर. या तिन्ही शिक्षकांनी लेंडहँड इंडियाकडून जे ट्रेनिंग दिले गेले 1 वर्षभरासाठी, तर ते ट्रेनिंग या 3 टीचरनी खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने अटेंड केले. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. जसं की तुम्ही बघू शकता की सुरुवातीला रोबोट असेंबल करणे ह्या कामामध्ये मुलं ठेवली आम्ही 2020 साली. नेक्स्ट. तर हे रोबोट असेंबल करत असतानाच सगळ्यात प्राऊड मुवमेंट किंवा एक पहिली संधी आमच्या शाळेला मिळाली. IRC लीग रोबोटिक कॉम्पिटिशनसाठी आमच्या शाळेचं सुरुवातीला कोल्हापूर डिस्ट्रिक्टमध्ये सिलेक्शन झालं आणि त्यानंतर दिल्ली येथे होणाऱ्या सेमीफायनल राऊंडसाठी आमचे विद्यार्थी पोहोचले. नेक्स्ट. यानंतरची सुरुवात खूप छान पद्धतीने लेंडहँड इंडियाकडून झाली. त्यांनी 1 वर्षभरासाठी एक प्रोग्राम अरेंज केला होता, ज्यामध्ये कुलकर्णी सर असतील, अरुंधती मॅम असतील, अनिकेत दारकुंडे सर असतील, गोगले मॅम असतील, पिझा मिस्त्री मॅम असतील. हा प्रोग्राम आमच्या स्कूलमध्ये ऍज अ क्लस्टर म्हणून सुरू करण्यात आला आणि गेली 1 वर्षभर आम्ही हे ट्रेनिंग घेत आहोत. यामध्ये 14 शाळा सहभागी झाल्या होत्या करवीरमध्ये. त्या ट्रेनिंग दरम्यान आम्हाला काही टास्क आमच्या शाळेमध्ये त्याचं एक्झिबिशन भरवण्यात आलं होतं, जे तुम्ही या चित्रामध्ये पाहू शकता. नेक्स्ट. त्यानंतर हे स्कूल लेवलला एक्झिबिशन झाल्यानंतर आमच्या काही ठराविक प्रोडक्टचं सिलेक्शन डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल कॉम्पिटिशन मध्ये झालं, तिथले काही पिक्चर्स आहेत, जे प्रायव्हेट हायस्कूल कोल्हापूर येथे पार पडण्यात आलं होतं. लगेचच आम्हाला दुसरी पण संधी मिळाली, जी की ATL मॅरेथॉन 2023 साठी आम्ही पार्टिसिपेट केलं, ज्याच्यामध्ये आमचा ई-मेडिकल बॉक्स हे प्रोडक्ट आम्ही लॉन्च केलं. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. तर ई-मेडिकल बॉक्स विषयी थोडीशी माहिती मी देऊ इच्छिते. सुरुवातीला प्रॉब्लेम आयडेंटिफिकेशन जे आपण म्हणतो ते स्टुडंटकडून आम्हाला आलं, की जे वयस्कर लोक घरी असतात तर त्या लोकांसाठी गोळी घेण्याची वेळ त्यांच्या लक्षात राहत नाही. आणि आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे की कामानिमित्त सगळेच घरातले जे कोणी असतील म्हणजे लेडीज किंवा जेंट्स ते बाहेर जातात. मग ह्या जनरेशनचा प्रॉब्लेम येऊ शकतो की कुठल्या वेळेला कुठली गोळी घ्यायची. तर असा हा ई-मेडिकल बॉक्स आम्ही असा कस्टमाइज केला की त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला मोबाईलवर ऑपरेट करता येईल, ब्लूटूथ सिस्टीम दिलेली आहे आणि टाइम सेट केल्यानंतर तिथे अलार्म वाजेल. त्याचबरोबर इथे तुम्ही बघू शकता LED हे केलेले आहेत, तिथं दाखवलेले आहेत. तर त्या प्रत्येक कंपार्टमेंट मधला टायमिंग नुसार LED ग्लो होईल आणि त्याचबरोबर बझर वाजेल आणि त्या पेशंटला किंवा वृद्ध व्यक्तींना समजेल की गोळी घ्यायची वेळ झालेली आहे. अशा पद्धतीने हा एक इनोव्हेटिव्ह प्रोडक्ट आम्ही ह्या वर्षी बनवला आणि तो ATL मॅरेथॉनसाठी आम्ही लॉन्च केला होता. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. आणि त्यानंतर लेंड हँड इंडियाकडून ज्या काही आम्हाला जे सेशन दिले गेले होते त्यानुसार आम्ही स्कूलमध्ये तशा ऍक्टिव्हिटीज राबवल्या, जसं की गार्डनिंग असेल, मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंटचे म्हणजे टूल मॅनेजमेंट असेल किंवा लाकडी वस्तू बनवणे असेल, अशा पद्धतीने आम्ही ते सेशन शाळेमध्ये घेतले. नेक्स्ट. त्यानंतरचा सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा पॉइंट किंवा आमच्यासाठी खूप अभिमानाची गोष्ट आहे की सीड द फ्युचर एंटरप्रेनर प्रोग्राम सीझन 2023-24 साठी आम्ही पार्टिसिपेट केलं. सुरुवातीला संभ्रमावस्था होती किंवा भीती वाटत होती की नेमकं काय आहे किंवा स्टार्टअप कसा सुरू करायचा, स्वतःची कंपनी कशी सुरू करायची. तर हे विद्यार्थ्यांना आणि तसेच टीचर्सना सुद्धा चांगल्या पद्धतीने या प्रोग्राममध्ये आम्हाला अनुभवायला मिळालं, शिकायला मिळालं. तर याच्यामध्ये आमच्या 6 विद्यार्थिनींची टीम होती आणि त्याचबरोबर एक्स डिझाईनचे एक्सपर्ट हेमंत पाटील सर आणि त्याचबरोबर मेंटर म्हणून गायत्री गोखले आणि असिस्टंट टीचर म्हणून अटल इन्चार्ज टीचर म्हणून मी स्वतः या प्रोग्राममध्ये पार्टिसिपेट केलं. तर याच्यासाठी आम्हाला 21,000 फंडिंग त्या डेसॉ सिस्टीम कडून देण्यात आलं आणि आमचा प्रोडक्ट आम्ही बनवायला सुरुवात केली. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. तर प्रॉब्लेम आयडेंटिफिकेशन स्टुडंटनी पहिला हे काढलं की घरी लेडीज काम करत असताना किचनमध्ये सहसा वावरत असताना त्यांना असा एक प्रॉब्लेम जाणवला की भांडी ज्या वेळेला आपण स्वच्छ केल्यानंतर ती ज्या त्या ठिकाणी ठेवतो त्यावेळी ते जे रॅक आहे ते एम्प्टी राहतं आणि ते खूप जागा घेतं किचनमध्ये. तर ह्यावर काय आपण सोल्युशन काढू शकतो का, तर हा एक प्रॉब्लेम पकडून आम्ही त्याच्यावरती काम करायला सुरुवात केली. नेक्स्ट. तर ह्यावर सोल्युशन म्हणून फोल्डेबल युटेन्सिल स्टँड आम्ही बनवलं, ज्याच्यामध्ये गायत्री गोखले टीचरांची खूप आम्हाला हेल्प झाली. टेक्निकली पार्ट असेल किंवा त्याचं उद्यमनगर येथे आम्ही हा प्रोडक्ट बनवून घेतला, तर तिथल्या काही गोष्टी मॅनेज करणं असेल तर ह्यासाठी त्यांनी खूप आम्हाला मदत केली. तर तुम्ही बघू शकता की ह्याच्यामध्ये स्टुडंटनी ओरिगामी कन्सेप्टचा वापर केला की बाबा पेपर फॅन आपला कसा फोल्ड होतो तशा पद्धतीनं आपण हे रॅक मधल्या 2 पॉइंटनी जोडू शकतो का, तर असा प्रयत्न एक आयडिया विद्यार्थ्यांना सुचली आणि त्यानुसार आम्ही हा प्रोडक्ट बनवला आणि त्याचं एक वर्किंग व्हिडिओ आता आपण बघणार आहोत. सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. आणि व्हिडिओ प्ले होतोय का बघा. तर तो व्हिडिओ काही टेक्निकल इश्यूमुळे प्ले होत नाहीये, तर तो आम्ही नंतर तुम्हाला सेंड करू ईमेलद्वारे. तर तुम्ही बघू शकता त्याच्यामध्ये कसा वर्किंग व्हिडिओ आहे. ह्या स्टँडचा वापर सुपर मार्केटमध्ये तसेच गृहिणींसाठी इव्हन ॲग्रिकल्चर मध्ये सुद्धा आपण काही ठराविक गोष्टीसाठी करू शकतो. तर ह्याचे प्रोडक्टचे जे फीचर्स आहेत ते तुम्हाला स्क्रीनवर आता दिसत आहेत की बाबा कुठल्या पॉईंटनी कुठलं हे पार्ट्स त्याचे जोडलेले आहेत, त्याचे काही जे काही हायलाइट्स आहेत ते इथे दिसत आहेत. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. तर या सीड द फ्युचर प्रोग्राम मध्ये एकूण 130 शाळा पूर्ण भारतामध्ये पार्टिसिपेट झाल्या होत्या. त्याच्यामध्ये आमचं सेमीफिनालेसाठी सिलेक्शन झालं आणि त्यांच्याकडून सर्टिफिकेट्स आणि काही गिफ्ट स्टुडंट्सना देण्यात आले. तर ही खूप सगळ्यात मोस्टली अभिमानाची गोष्ट आमच्या शाळेसाठी होती. नेक्स्ट. त्याचबरोबर आता आमची अटल लॅब खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने सुरू आहे. इंटरनेट कनेक्टिव्हिटी असेल, त्याचबरोबर लॅपटॉपची अवेलेबिलिटी असेल, या सगळ्या सोयी आमच्या मुलांना आम्ही पूर्ण चांगल्या पद्धतीने पुरवत आहोत. ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही बघू शकता की 3D प्रिंटर विद्यार्थी शिकत आहेत. त्यांनी स्वतःचे काही प्रोडक्ट सुद्धा विकण्यास सुरुवात केलेली आहे ॲज अ स्वतःची कंपनी म्हणून. त्याचबरोबर आता ह्या वर्षीच नवीनच 3D टी शर्ट प्रिंटर आणि किचन प्रिंटर, मग प्रिंटर आमच्याकडे आलेला आहे. तर विद्यार्थी त्यात तोही व्यवस्थितपणे शिकून आता स्वतःचे प्रोडक्ट बाजारामध्ये लॉन्च करत आहेत. आणि त्याचबरोबर IRC लीग असेल, त्याचबरोबर वेगवेगळे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, मेकॅनिकल आणि डिजिटल जे डिपार्टमेंट आहेत, त्या डिपार्टमेंट वाईज स्टुडंट विथ टीचर्स या सगळ्या गोष्टी खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने करत आहेत. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. तर या सर्व ज्या काही आमच्या ATL लॅबचे जे काही आता काम सुरू आहे, यासाठी आमच्या शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापिका सौ सरनोबत मॅडम यांचे खूप खूप मोलाचे सहकार्य लाभलेले आहे.
हॅलो सर.
नमस्कार.
हा, नमस्कार सर. ऍक्च्युली आता टीचरनी पूर्ण वर्किंग वर्षभर कसं त्यांनी केलेलं आहे किंवा काय हे सगळं सांगितलं, त्याचं प्रेझेंटेशनही तुम्ही बघितलं. पण यासाठी मला खरं तर युनिव्हर्सिटीचे जास्त आभार मानायचे आहेत, कारण जो प्रोडक्ट आपण आता बघितला त्याचा पेटंटसाठी हर्षवर्धन पंडित सर आम्हाला म्हणजे त्यांनी आम्हाला शब्द दिला होता की मॅडम कुठेही अडणार नाहीये, तुम्हाला जो सपोर्ट लागेल तो आपण निश्चित करू, युनिव्हर्सिटी कुठेही मागे येणार नाही. तर त्या पद्धतीनं आम्हाला मेंटॉर्स गायत्री गोखले मॅम मिळाल्या की अतिशय सुंदर पद्धतीनं त्या लॅबमध्ये, म्हणजे जो ऊर्जाचा तुम्ही मगाशी एक फोटो दाखवला, तर त्याच्या संदर्भात सुद्धा मुलांना त्यांनी खूप चांगली माहिती दिली होती आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये थिंकिंग चालू झालेलं होतं की बाबा आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे जो आयडिएशनचा जो मेन हे सांगितला होता की याच्यावर आपल्याला काम करणं गरजेचं आहे. ऍक्च्युअल जेव्हा लॅब सुरू झाली तेव्हाचा सगळ्यात मोठा आमच्यासाठी कन्सर्न होता की बाबा आपण करतोय हे सगळं चालू आहे, पण टीचर्ससाठी ट्रेनिंग नव्हतं किंवा काय नेमकं शिकवायचं याच्यासाठी एक प्रॉपर प्लॅन नव्हता. आणि जेव्हा आपण लास्ट इयर कोलॅबोरेशन युनिव्हर्सिटी सोबत केल्यानंतर काही गोष्टी क्लिअर झाल्या, युनिव्हर्सिटीकडून सुद्धा काही मेंटर्स आम्हाला मदतीला यायला लागले. स्टुडंटचं जे काही आयडिएशन आहे त्याच्यावर प्रॉपर वर्कआउट कसं करायचंय हे समजायला लागलं आणि त्याच्यामुळे टीचरना सुद्धा भरपूर सपोर्ट इथं मिळाला. तर मला सर एक मागणी तुमच्याकडे करायला आवडेल की बाबा आता सध्या हे सगळं चालू आहे, तर हे इथंच न थांबता अजूनही काही स्टुडंट असे पण आहेत की ज्यांच्याकडे खूप चांगले आयडियाज आहेत आणि त्याच्यावर प्रॉपर वर्कआउट होणं गरजेचं आहे. काही वेळेला टीचर सुद्धा बऱ्याचशा अडचणी अशा येतात की मेकॅनिकल आहे, कारण बरेचदा त्याच्यामध्ये स्टुडंट्सना सपोर्ट लागतो किंवा टीचर्सना सपोर्ट लागतो. तर हा जो सपोर्ट आहे तो तुम्ही जेव्हा पुरवाल त्याच वेळेला टीचर्स त्याच्यावर वर्कआउट प्रॉपर करू शकतील. तर माझी एक खरंच रिक्वेस्ट असेल की जसं लास्ट इयर तुमचा सपोर्ट आम्हाला मिळाला, तो सपोर्ट हा इथंच न थांबता तो कायमस्वरूपी आम्हाला मिळाला, तर आम्ही त्याच्यावर खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने वर्कआउट करू शकू. कारण आम्ही कोल्हापूरच्या शाळा आहोत आणि विशेष म्हणजे आमच्याकडे युनिव्हर्सिटी अवेलेबल आहे आणि जिथं ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत, तर आमच्या स्टुडंट्सना या गोष्टी बघायला मिळाल्या पाहिजेत, त्यांना या गोष्टी अनुभवायला मिळाल्या पाहिजेत. तर हे अगदी चांगल्या पद्धतीनं पुढं म्हणजे बऱ्याच नवीन गोष्टी विद्यार्थीही शिकतील आणि नवीन गोष्टी सगळ्या जगासमोर सुद्धा यायला सुरुवात होईल. तर खरंच सर माझी ही रिक्वेस्ट आहे की तुमचा सपोर्ट हा आम्हाला अगदी चांगल्या पद्धतीने मिळाला तर आम्ही अजून चांगल्या पद्धतीने वर्कआउट करू शकू. थँक्यू सर.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच मॅडम. अगदी तुम्ही नक्की म्हणाला तसं विद्यापीठ हे कायमच विद्यार्थी हितासाठी आणि या भागाच्या विकासासाठी प्रयत्नशील असतं आणि ह्या भागाचा विकास व्हावा, विद्यार्थ्यांचा विकास व्हावा, नवीन नवीन जे इनोव्हेशन्स आहेत ते विद्यार्थ्यांच्या मार्फत व्हावे ह्याच्यासाठी आमचे विद्यापीठाचे कुलगुरू प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर DT शिर्के सर हे कायमच आग्रही राहतात. किंबहुना प्रोफेसर PS पाटील सर आणि इतर सर्व टीम अधिकारी वर्ग यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली विद्यापीठ कायमच या गोष्टीबाबत प्रयत्नशील राहिलेला आहे. याचाच एक भाग म्हणून लास्ट टाइम वी हॅड अ डिस्कशन विथ द AICTE ऑफिशियल्स इन विच व्हॉट दे हॅव सजेस्टेड is to incorporate school representatives on the panel of IIC external members. So in that way we will be also inviting you people to become the member of our institution Innovation Council Shivaji University Kolhapur, on which you will attend the meetings and also you can give the suggestions, and in those meetings we'll chalk out how to help the students and the faculty members for training and orientation program. Now, I would like to point out here that today's was the program for the initial orientation. Okay, today was the initial orientation program in which we had a just a glimpse of how IICs and SICs ATL labs are to be connected together in what are the different activities and how we can collaborate, what are the avenues. But since university is a big landscape of variety of activities, I would like to share with you that we have our own Section 8 company, that is SUK Research and Development Foundation. It is an incubation center. We nurture the startups here, and it is headed by Professor Dr. P.D. Raut, sir, as the CEO of the SUK Research and Development Foundation. As you rightly point out that not only development of innovation is necessary, but commercialization and subsequent filing intellectual property rights, which are to be helpful for the monetizing the creativity, that are to be also considered. So we have the university has a separate intellectual property right cell, IPR cell. It was headed by Director Professor Dr. S.B. Sadale sir from Department of Technology. He is heading that, and also industry is a non-separable part of the innovation and entrepreneurship. So we have university industry collaboration cell, again that is headed by Professor Dr. S.D. Dedekar sir, and different cells are also there. So in the next few sessions, we'll be inviting those directors and the heads of these sales and these sales. Okay, so for the giving presentation as well as having interaction with you people, and also will be taking care of visiting your schools. But at the same time, I would like to expect from your side that although teaching learning activities are going on the university, research is also going on, so we must accept that we do have some busy schedule, but we have to take out some time for the benefit of the students. And our aim is to have interaction with our school innovators, with the university innovators, student innovators, and have the collaboration, some fruitful activities along with the development of new product with the aim of social benefit. So these are some of the points I would like to highlight. Now I would like to invite Professor Dr. A.M. Gurav sir, because he is a expert in all these activities, having 35 plus, I must say, years of experience, and 3 PhDs in a variety of specializations. I would like to have a word from Professor Dr. A.M. Gurav sir. Gurav sir, are you there? Professor Gurav sir? I'm afraid he's not there. Gurav sir? Okay, no worries. We'll be creating one WhatsApp group. Link will be shared to you via email, as well as for those I have numbers, I will send them also. And we'll be forming one official group of SIC, IIC collaboration activity. Will send you the timetable of our activities, and we'll visit the schools, and also one exposure visits we are thinking to plan, so that you can see the research instrumentation center, as well as visit SUK RDF, and also interact with the some successful startups which are there on the campus and working and producing manufacturing variety of the products on the campus. So we'd like to have interaction with you and them also. So with these few words, if Guru sir is not present here, I would like to have a closure of this session. And before I close this session, I would like to thank all of you, the participants, the representatives of the schools, and especially I must thank the motivation and support, strong support behind the IIC activities, Professor Dr. D.T. Shirke sir, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. The IIC activities are performed under the guidance of Professor Dr. P.S. Patil sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor of Shivaji University and Honorable President of Institutions Innovation Council. Nonetheless, Professor Dr. M.S. Deshmukh sir, the Honorable Dean of Faculty of Humanities and Honorable Vice President of the Institutions Innovation Council. I must also thank Professor Dr. S.D. Delekar sir. He is the Director of Innovation Incubation and Linkages, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Respected Professor Dr. V.N. Shinde sir, the Registrar of Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and convener of the IIC, Professor Dr. S.N. Sapli sir, Director of Department of Technology, for being instrumental in conducting and leveraging the benefit of Shivaji University for all these schools and colleges. Thank you, Professor Dr. M. Gurov sir, for being part of this session. And with this, I would like to close the session. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts regarding anything, you can always have a contact with me or send me email or WhatsApp me anything. You can call directly also. And if you have any queries, we'll be always there to answer that. So shall we close the session?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank
Yes,
you very
with
much,
the
sir.
permission of the chair, Professor Dr. M.S. Deshmukh sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
And all others, let us have end of this session. Thank you very much for being the part. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.